Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Syamil Izani bin Syaukani. I am from SMK Senai. I am a science stream student and I'll be taking SPM this year. I am a student leaderboard and prefect for SMK Senai. In 2018, I am the first prefect to lead the prefect organisation for 2 years in a row. That is in year 2018 until 2019. Now, I am the vice president for SMK Senai prefect team for the 2021 session. In 2018, I was occupied as one of the young teacher for the Young Teacher Program to help those in need. Since 2017, I am an Imam Remaja and the vocalist for SMK Senai Nasyid team. I am the composer too. Alhamdulillah, our hard work paid off. In 2019, we managed to get the 3rd place for district level Nasyid competition. The book that I have read is 100 Inventions That Shaped the World History by Bill Yan. The book was published in 1996 by Topan Company Private Limited in Singapore. One of the 100 inventions that shaped the world history is eyeglasses. It is used to aid or correct vision. It was first invented in the year 1280 in Florence, Italy, by Alessandro della Spina and his friend Salvino Armati. The glasses were worn by Armati, who had injured his eyes while performing light refraction experiment and discovered it is possible to enlarge the appearance of the object by looking through 2 pieces of convex lenses. In the 40th century, concave lenses were used to correct nearsightedness. Next, one of the 100 inventions that changed the history is the telephone. Simply described, it is a system which converts sound, specifically human voices, to electrical impulses of various frequencies and then back to a tone that sounds like the original voice. According to a famous story, the first telephone call occurred on March 6, 1876, when Bell, in one room, called his assistant in another room. Watson heard the request, and what happened after that is a history of the founding of the Bell Telephone Company that grew to the largest telephone company in the world. A practical telephone was actually invented independently by Elisha Gray and Alexander Graham Bell. The cellular telephone system began nationwide usage in 1981 and keep improving until the first smartphone, Simon Personal Communicator, was invented in 1992, created by IBM. To sum up, eyeglasses really helps far-sighted people like me to see clearly and enjoy the beauty of the world. The telephone really helps during this era of the pandemic. It helps us do online tasks, join online classes, and update ourselves with the latest news regarding COVID-19. Last but not least, I hope that the invention mentioned is used in the correct way to avoid destroyed by our own inventions. Thank you.
Tama.
Lagi sekali